Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable your joystick or your controller launch game bar. So I cannot show you my controller right now, but I'm using my controller in order to open game bar. So if you right now hold your controller, hold your joystick, you can see the home button, like home icon on your device, on your controller. Just press it. Now I press it. Now game bar launch with this controller. As you can see, launch a game with controller. If you have a controller, press the Xbox button from your desktop to quickly jump back into your favorite games and gaming apps. Got it? So this is like home bar. Now I'm using the controller. As you can see, this is my cursor, idle cursor. So here I move my game bar with the joystick. So I can move the widget with the joystick. And you can press B to cancel and A to confirm. So in order to enable this, let's close it first. You can go to the settings and click on gaming and click on game bar. Here we go. You can enable this. Allow your controller to open game bar. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.